Yes, guys, and when I say we have all the parts, I mean we have all the parts. We're sourcing from FCP Euro. We're gonna, and this is not sponsored by the way, but I like ordering from them. They have the genuine parts, plus you get a lifetime warranty on all your parts. So you got everything here that we need for a successful rehab of this 530. Alright, so guys, a few things as we tackle this 530 here. Notice, so we're getting a misfire. You know, that hose right there is pretty bad, right? Brittle. And we have that right there. And in the accordion section down here, this might be a little harder to spot, but that's a big hole right there. That's definitely going to cause some unmetered air misfire. This hose, breather hose here, that's also brittle. We're gonna have to swap that out. So just some quick takes on some of the things you can look for when you start to get some of those misfires. Your hoses, you have part of the whole PCV system here. Those are notorious as well. Have another piece right here. All right, so we have all those parts. We're gonna start just tackling them one by one, brick by brick, and see how we work out. All right, look at this guy's first pull. Wow, that's pretty bad. One of the worst ones I've seen, right? But just all dry rot right there over time. All right, loosen that up and loosen that up, and just like that, the first piece is off. Match them up with the second one, and we just have this one to contend with. This piece right here, which we have the replacement right here, and it's just plug and play, guys. Just like that, guys, we have her off. All right, this one was on there pretty good. So, and sure enough, I thought I saw a crack on this one somewhere. Yeah, like right in there is starting to get bad. So it was a good choice to go ahead and do them all while we were in the space. All right, that's what it looks like. All right, first one in, you're just gonna go ahead and tighten her up. Just remember to have the screws oriented in a position where you can retighten them. I know it sounds simple, but let's get to the name. See, that screw is on this side. If it was on the other side, it would be much more difficult to get to tighten. And the same on the base part of this thing. All right, so this is left, and we should be all buttoned up and good to go. And just like that, guys, old one is out. As we reviewed before, that's what we were dealing with. Some serious misfires going on from the unmetered air. It's all busted up down there. We're able to go ahead and fit that back on. Just make sure you pay attention to the fittings. This is just a look like a manufacturer's divot there, but there's no holes there. All right, fittings all good to go, guys, and that's it. This piece here As you can see, I replaced that, so it's nice and new, and should give us a lot more time, trouble-free experience there. All right, that's it.
That's not this right here. That's right. It's all the way in the back. So the arc is leaking. That's what's going on there. Let's you gotta pull off all of this. All right.
So guys, we're back here at the Audubon. Got all the hoses rectified. We got the miss on cylinder 1 and 3. Taking care of that now. We also went ahead and changed the PCV valve and all the associated hoses. And we're at the point now we're just buttoning up. Oh, meat rip. Good old Autel. Right in the shop today we have Porsche.
It's going for from the Audubon again, guys, and after fighting with this one all day, this is what we have: a smooth running engine. Yeah, from one key car garage. He dropped this off this morning to get it looked at, and we got it done. And even one better, look at these numbers on a smooth running engine. I set the smooth running engine here. See, all those those numbers are great. Guys, don't forget to share, subscribe, and like, and I'll catch you on the next one.